What are you working on?
What is this? Where did you find this thing?
I just found it, and there's a box of coilovers in the trunk. You want to slam it?
Dude, let's slam this thing. What is this?
It's a Veloster, I think.
A Honda?
Yeah, it's a Honda.
Is that what that is? Where are those made?
It's a Honda Veloster.
Those made in Taiwan or something?
I think so.
Taiwan? Indonesia?
Maybe
something?
India?
India?
Yeah, I think they're made in India.
Alright, let's get those child labored parts going, I guess.
Alright guys, I did not steal a Veloster. This is a friend of ours' car, and we're gonna install these Rev 9 coilovers that we got here. They got adjustable camber, dampening's adjustable, front and rear, so I'm looking forward to this. We're gonna put them in and tune it and put it on its nuts.
I like it.
But never enough.
We're gonna get started here. We got the wheel off. We're gonna start with these bottom bolts down here. Hopefully they're not too rusty. We're gonna start after that with the bracket. It just gets the brake line out of here.
Yeah, just that one out back.
And then we gotta move on to the sway link that we hopefully won't break. And then lastly, we got just the normal top bolts. Please ignore this. This is not my work. You know who you are. These 3 top bolts, and hopefully we can just gun this this first strut assembly out and start working on the coilover side of things. Beauty!
Oh, look at that, bud.
Look at that.
It's got seized in there. We'll have to hit it with a hammer out.
Yeah.
We'll thread the nut on the back and slightly tap it with a hammer.
Yeah. Hopefully that doesn't strip it.
You want an angle?
Yeah, it's very, very slight angle, but yes,
Oh, that's
it was.
fine.
I don't see where that nut went. Oh, right there.
Oh,
Ugh. All right, let's put the nuts back on. Hey man, do you have that hammer you were working with earlier?
Oh yeah, the hammer. Let's see where I put that. Yeah.
Oh, thanks.
Here you are. Beautiful. Wow.
Ha! It moved a little.
Beautiful. That makes sense.
I really don't think it's dead in there, so. Oh!
Oh. Nice.
I lost the nut once again.
Right here. Next to the jack stand. Beautiful.
We'll clean those up so that I don't do it again
Wow.
when I have to do this job again. Alright, we went to the parts store, as in Lowe's, and we
Obviously.
got some hardware I'm not super satisfied with, so I think we'll end up buying some stock hardware and replacing it at some point, but it will be good enough for now. We're going to Loctite everything, make sure it's all nice and steady. Now we can actually get started on working on the car.
Yeah, we basically didn't do anything.
Yeah, we broke something basically immediately. We've gotten 2 bolts off the entire car in about 2 hours. So let's get cranking now. Alrighty guys, so we just finished up one side here. We still have yet to adjust ride height or anything like that, or mess with the dampening and the camber and all that, but it is in. Our new hardware is in. It's not the best, but it'll do. We got our paint markings done. That's some race car stuff. I need to mark the ones down there still.
Yes, you do.
This video is a great reminder of that. Great reminder that I needed to do that.
That is true.
Yeah, so we got it all in. We're gonna mess with this stuff later once everything else is in, but yeah, we're gonna get started on the other side, and then we'll lower it down to just ride height in the front, and then we'll move on to the rear. Breaker bar, please. Yes. I was really hoping you'd be able to grab that from where you're at.
It was far away. All right, that one's moving. Nice. Beautiful. Yeah, that other side was not moving at all.
It rotates, it just doesn't move.
Yeah,
That's cool.
great.
Feels loosest there.
Yikes. That brake hose, or sensor,
That's fine.
it's probably fine.
It's fine. You don't need sensors. Yeah!
Nice. Beautiful. Nice.
Alright.
Got it. Rusty. Rusty New England car. This one's not that bad, actually.
I live for the rust.
Yes. Live for the rust. That's obviously why we're here.
Last one as well.
Oh, wow. Okay. Ah. Gross.
I should sell those on Facebook Marketplace.
Hyundai Veloster struts.
$1,000 full suspension for Hyundai Veloster has no issues at all. Definitely not.
Totally no issues.
Blown out. I can't see.
What in the world? Ref 9. Making nothing. Nothing but the most quality
Nothing
coilovers.
but the best. Nothing but the best here at Sunset Garage. High quality parts only. Hey, don't bend that camber plate, guy.
Fixed.
That'll cost you extra. There you go.
Yep. Basically, we still have to screw that in, but it is all almost set up.
That don't look right.
That doesn't look right, bud. I think it's a little bit too high.
Yeah.
We got monster truck fitment in here. So,
Passes the boot test.
it does pass the boot test.
Passes the boot test.
We don't want it to look like that.
You said you didn't want it slammed. Lifted, brother.
Lifted Veloster.
Let me fix that real quick.
Guess I'm better off this way, moving to better days. But I know that home's where the heart is. Home's where the heart is.
All right. Full low.
Yeah, full low. Let's throw the wheel on and see what it looks like. Yes, I'm going to torque them. Not that much of a hack. Why does this side... No?
Not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Is there more clearance on that side?
No, actually, it looks about even.
Looks about even.
Yeah. What's it looking like to you?
Lower than you wanted it. Well, everybody, I'm currently doing the reassembly of shame. I asked Brett to look up how we access the top nut on the rear shocks on a Hyundai Veloster. And I was just going to do some exploring while he did that and just see if I could figure it out myself. And, well, Brett figured it out, and you don't need to remove any of the interior.
Yeah, no, the more you know. It's right here. And then the bottom one is right here. So
I'm gonna reassemble this, and then I can stop wasting our time.
because it is already almost midnight.
Yeah, it's getting pretty late. I'm getting pretty hungry and tired.
Same.
But because Hyundai is important, it must get done.
We need this done tonight.
Because I don't want to drive it anymore.
Probably. Or it just shot out the shock.
Well, this makes no sense.
Yeah. No sense at all.
Well, fucked up.
Yes, we did.
Well, we didn't. Hyundai did. Really bad design. So, Hyundai, for the rear shock, they created this little steel box, about this big, and they put a nut in the middle of it. And then a really long bolt through it, so when you go to loosen that bolt, that box would hold the nut, theoretically. However, what happened here is it got rusty, and it weakened, and now the nut spins freely inside the box, and you cannot access it. So unfortunately for tonight, that is all here. We got the front done, and we're gonna have to get creative with the rear. Mm-hmm. So stay tuned for that in part 2. Or to be continued.
To be continued, we'll figure it out.
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
If this video seems a lot longer, we figured it out.
We figured it out. Well, it's daytime, everybody, and we're back with this yellow turd. And now that I'm slightly more than half awake, I'm ready to get to cutting on this thing because I'm done with Korean garbage. So we're just gonna cut it, all of it. We're at the Z-Tool store.
Yes, we are. We picked up some
shit.
Yeah. We'll see if that works, hopefully.
Variable speed rotary tool, as in just a Dremel thing. We got some cutting wheels. So, hopefully we can get that box cut off and then run out to a store once again to go get some hardware for it.
Camry's getting some good use today. So.
Oh yeah, Camry to the rescue. Saving the Korean beef mobile. Let's hope this works.
I hope so.
I don't think it's going to.
Probably not.
That's my confidence for today, is no.
Is this still good?
It's already sliding out. I just didn't tighten it enough. My bad.
Nice.
Where'd I put the mini wrench?
Over here, brother.
Look at me being an amateur already.
Not tightening things down properly.
Yeah.
Come
There.
on, man.
Hopefully we can not have amateur hour now.
Well, this whole channel is amateur.
This whole channel is
And
amateur hour.
the channel.
Yeah, this whole channel's amateur hour, you're right.
Is it even cutting through?
Not really.
Come on. I agree. All for just that one stupid bolt.
Goddamn thing's childproof.
Oh, there we go.
See, I may not have the proper tools to take this steel box off of this car, but you know what? I don't have the proper tools to open this either.
Yeah, those are
But
Those are scissors.
we're gonna make it work.
Those are scissors. Dropping everything.
It's fine. Everything's fine. I'm not having a mental breakdown, you are. Should I just go big or go home? I think I should just go home.
I want to go home. So let's do that.
I'm gonna go medium. Alright, we got a bigger blade and we're gonna see what happens. This one may just come apart and take me out.
Probably.
Well, yet again, we've been defeated today. I have other stuff I need to attend to because, unfortunately, I'm not a full-time YouTuber as much as you guys wish I was. But it's going to look like we just ruined a lot of stuff because that's really what we did.
Basically.
So if you get down here with me and get nice and cozy underneath the car,
Scooch some things out of the way.
and you look up in that direction next to the exhaust, you'll see the metal box surrounding the nut. And we need to fully remove that, and we're running out of time, except I checked all the other bolts on the suspension, as in that bottom one, and the top one that looks just like that, but less ruined. And they all came loose. So next time we work on this, really, hopefully, the only thing we'll run into is just that bolt, and everything else seems like it's going to come apart somewhat easy. So we're hoping for the best on the next part of this. Whether this is the same video or not, that's up to future Brett.
It'll probably be part 2.
Part 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll see this on part 2.
Us completing the bumblebee, I guess.
Yeah, so we're gonna put it back together again and pretend like we didn't touch the rear, and we're gonna give it back.
Yay!
Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for part 2 when we do the rear suspension and have more fun.
Fun.